Okay, so we're gonna do a quick unboxing of this knife right here from this company, CIVIVI, and this company's all over the place. They got some really cool knife. This is gonna be a very small one, as you can see. Just a pack right here, it kind of fits in my hand, so it's gonna be pretty decent, pretty small kind of knife. We're gonna open it up, and essentially, this is kind of what you got right here. You're gonna have some documentation. You're gonna have the knife here. We're gonna look at it in a minute, but first, we're gonna look at this paper. It says product use warranty and information. And again, there's going to be some paperwork here. Take a quick look at the knife right there. Obviously, the presentation is really nice. We're going to take it out right there. That's all you have. Here is the knife. And again, it's a really, really small knife. But just by looking at it, feeling it, it feels pretty decent. Feels like actually pretty decent. So we're going to deploy it. And this is kind of what you have right here. So this is little tiny knife. Let me put it here in my hand so you can get an idea. This is essentially what you're looking for. Maybe a keychain or something like that. You could use it just like that. There's no clip or anything, so obviously you got the little hole right here that is going to be for a keychain, or just put it in your pocket. It is frame lock. You can kind of see the frame lock right there. We're going to open it up, and again, here how small it is. It kind of disappear in my hands, and again, just a quick look right there. We're going to deploy it because this is kind of interesting. Comes out really nice. So, let me deploy it again. Very, very nice. Let me give you a quick look so you can have an idea. Look at how nice it looks. So again, it's going to be the CIVIVI Mini Elementum Flipper Pocket Knife. It's going to be about 1.83 inches. The blade is going to be 14C28N, which I'm not really familiar with it. Kind of have like a brass stainless steel right here, handle. Feels nice. It feels like a really cool knife, actually. We're going to do a little bit of cutting just to see how this works. That's nice. And I'm just going to put it right here next to this knife from Kershaw. Let me open this up. Look at this knife. Really, really nice. But again, this is going to be like your basic everyday carry kind of knife as well. I just want to put it side by side so you can have an idea of what we're looking for right there. Obviously, just a closer look right here. I mean, this is just a little mini knife. Again, keychain or something like that will work just fine.